Choosing the right destination for your first solo trip can make all the difference. You'll want a place that's safe, easy to navigate, and rich in experiences. Here are some recommended destinations for first-time solo travelers, offering a mix of adventure, culture, and tranquility. 1. Iceland. Why it's great for solo travelers? Iceland is one of the safest countries in the world with friendly locals and stunning landscapes. English is widely spoken and solo travelers are common, which makes it easy to meet like-minded adventurers. Must-see spots. Reykjavik, explore the vibrant capital, filled with quirky cafes, street art, and museums. Golden Circle, visit Thingvellir National Park, Gullfoss Waterfall and Geysir. Blue Lagoon, relax in the famous geothermal spa. Travel tips: Iceland can be expensive, so budget by staying in guest houses or hostels. Renting a car is a great way to explore the island's natural wonders at your own pace. 2. Japan. Why it's great for solo travelers. Japan is incredibly safe, efficient, and easy to navigate, even for those who don't speak Japanese. The country offers a perfect mix of modernity and tradition, with something for every type of traveler. Must-see spots. Tokyo. Explore the neon-lit streets, visit temples like Sensoji, and experience the bustling culture. Kyoto discovers serene temples and gardens, including the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine and Kinkakuji. Osaka, a food lover's paradise with a vibrant street food scene. Travel tips. Take advantage of Japan's excellent public transport, and consider getting a Japan Rail Pass to save on long-distance travel. Solo dining is common, so you'll easily find places to eat solo, especially at ramen bars or sushi counters. 3. New Zealand. Why it's great for solo travelers. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and friendly locals, New Zealand is a dream destination for outdoor enthusiasts. It's safe, English-speaking, and offers plenty of opportunities to meet fellow travelers. Must-see spots: Queenstown, the adventure capital of the world, offering bungee jumping, skydiving, and more. Auckland, a bustling city with access to beautiful islands like Waiheke. Fiordland National Park, home to the stunning Milford Sound, a must-see fjord. Travel tips. New Zealand is perfect for road trips, so consider renting a camper van. There are also plenty of hostels and organized tours, making it easy to meet other travelers. Portugal. Why it's great for solo travelers. Portugal is one of Europe's friendliest and most affordable countries. It's relatively small, making it easy to navigate, and has a laid-back vibe that's perfect for solo adventurers. Must-see spots. Lisbon. Explore the hilly, vibrant capital with its mix of historic neighborhoods like Alfama and modern attractions. Porto, a charming riverside city known for its port wine and picturesque views. Algarve's stunning beaches and cliffs in the south, perfect for relaxing or surfing. Travel tips. Portugal has a well-connected train system, making travel between cities easy. English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Thailand. Why it's great for solo travelers. Thailand is known for its incredible hospitality, beautiful landscapes, and affordability. It's a well-trodden path for solo travelers, so you'll find plenty of backpacker-friendly accommodations and activities. Must-see spots. Bangkok. The bustling capital is a mix of ancient temples like Wat Pho and modern skyscrapers. Chiang Mai, a more relaxed city in the north, known for its temples, night markets, and access to nature. Thai Islands. For beach lovers, head to islands like Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, or Koh Tao for stunning beaches and lively nightlife. Travel tips. Thailand is budget-friendly, especially in terms of food and accommodation. The country has a well-developed tourist infrastructure, and you can easily join group tours or meet other travelers in hostels along the route. Canada, specifically British Columbia. Why it's great for solo travelers. Canada is known for its safety, friendly locals, and stunning natural beauty. British Columbia, with its mix of vibrant cities and outdoor adventures, is perfect for first-time solo travelers. Must-see spots. Vancouver, a cosmopolitan city surrounded by mountains and the Pacific Ocean, offering both urban and outdoor experiences. Whistler, a world-class ski resort that also offers hiking and mountain biking in the summer. Vancouver Island. Visit Victoria, the charming capital of British Columbia, and enjoy the island's rugged coastline and forests. Travel tips. Canada is vast, so plan your time wisely. Public transport in cities like Vancouver is excellent, but renting a car is advisable for exploring more remote areas. Ireland. Why it's great for solo travelers. Ireland is known for its welcoming locals, rich history, and stunning landscapes. It's a small, easy-to-navigate country, and English is the primary language, making it hassle-free for solo travelers. Must-see spots. Dublin. Visit historic landmarks like Trinity College and the Guinness Storehouse. Galway, a charming city on the west coast, known for its vibrant art scene and access to the cliffs of Moher. Ring of Kerry. Drive this scenic route to experience Ireland's rugged beauty. Travel tips: public transport is good, but renting a car will give you more flexibility to explore the countryside and small towns. Many Irish pubs host live music, so you can easily meet locals and other travelers. 8. Australia, East Coast. Why it's great for solo travelers. Australia is a popular destination for solo travelers, offering a mix of bustling cities, beautiful beaches, and incredible wildlife. It's English-speaking, safe, and has a well-developed travel infrastructure. Must-see spots. Sydney. Visit the iconic Sydney Opera House, Bondi Beach, and take a walk along the Harbour Bridge. Great Barrier Reef. A once-in-a-lifetime experience for snorkeling or diving enthusiasts. Melbourne. A cultural hub, known for its street art, coffee culture, and live music scene. Travel tips. Australia is vast, so flying between cities can save time. Hostels and backpacker tours are abundant, making it easy to meet fellow travelers. 9. The Netherlands. Why it's great for solo travelers. The Netherlands is compact, safe, and English is widely spoken. The cities are beautifully designed, with plenty of cycling paths and efficient public transport. Must-see spots: Amsterdam, famous for its canals, museums like the Van Gogh Museum, and unique neighborhoods like Jordan. Rotterdam, a modern city with cutting-edge architecture and a cool, creative vibe. The Hague, home to beautiful beaches and important international institutions. Travel tips. The Netherlands is small, so day trips from Amsterdam are easy by train. Cycling is a great way to explore the cities, as the country is very bike-friendly. 10. Vietnam. Why it's great for solo travelers. Vietnam offers a rich cultural experience, stunning landscapes, and is incredibly affordable. The country is increasingly popular with solo travelers, meaning you'll find plenty of hostels, group tours, and travel-friendly infrastructure. Must-see spots. Hanoi. The capital is bustling and full of history, with attractions like the Old Quarter and Hoan Kiem Lake. Ha Long Bay. Take a cruise through the limestone karsts and emerald waters. Hoi An, a charming ancient town known for its lantern-lit streets and tailor shops. Travel tips. Vietnam is great for budget travelers with affordable food, accommodations, and transport. Consider joining group tours for activities like trekking or boat trips, as they're a fun way to meet people. Final thoughts. For first-time solo travelers, it's important to pick a destination that matches your comfort level, whether you're looking for adventure, culture, or relaxation. All of these destinations offer a mix of safety, accessibility, and opportunities to meet fellow travelers, making them ideal for anyone venturing out on their own for the first time. Happy travels!